Pero pinag-iisipan niya, no, kung talagang tutuloy sila. Kasi kung maganda talaga yung, kung magtuloy-tuloy talaga yung ano niya, yung magandang survey niya, she can, I'm just saying this, but siguro, she has interest to run for national. Definitely, si Lucy would want to run with the administration kasi nasa administration naman ang partido namin, no? Pero hindi niya pipilitin yun. Pag hindi siya, for example, pinili ng administration, then she will not force the issue. She will just stay in Ormoc.
Si Lucy will be, this is her last term already. Okay lang mo na mag-pull mini Congresswoman? Okay mo? Si Congresswoman, mudagan pagka-mayor.